The word percentage itself means out of 100. So whatever we are calculating out of 100 can be termed as percentage. Let's assume that a student scores 72 marks out of 100. What is his percentage of marks? 72 percentage. Let's take a person who is scoring 40 marks out of 50. Here, if the student gets 40 out of 50, what will he score for 100 marks? So times 2 here, times 2. So he'll be scoring 80 out of 100. So what is his percentage of marks? 80 percentage. Let's assume a student is scoring 8 marks out of 10 marks. Then what is going to be his percentage of marks? This 10 has to be converted into 100. So times 10 times 10. So he'll be scoring 80 out of 100, which means the percentage of marks is 80%. Let's take one final example. A student scores 190 out of 200. In the previous examples, what did we do? We tried converting the total marks to 100, right? Here also we are going to do the same. If we try dividing by 2 on the top and the bottom, it will be 95 out of 100. So the student would score 95 marks if the exam is for 100. So what is this percentage of marks? 95%, right? Apart from knowing what is percentage, we should know one more small trick of how to convert a fraction into percentage. For that, we can have a small example. Let's assume that I've got 20 balls with me, and among those 20 balls, I've got 5 red balls. Now, what percentage of balls which I've got are red? In order to find out this, first let's find out the fraction of red balls which I've got. And what is that going to be? 5 out of 20 balls are red. Now just times this with 100, and if you simplify, 120s are 20, 5 20s are 100. So we'll be having 5 here. So 5 5s are 25%. So among the balls which I've got, 25% of the balls are red ones. So from this example, we can understand that in order to convert a fraction to percentage value, just we can use the trick part upon whole times 100. That's it. And finally, one important trick. In all the percentage based questions, we'll be assuming 100% as the total value or the original value, or even called as initial value, or the whole value. So this trick is going to be very useful in a lot of questions.